Well, I hope everybody's having a great Thursday. Let's start out today's video by taking a look at the current conditions right now in downtown Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It is a pretty cloudy day out there today. We have overcast conditions right now. Temperatures are still pretty mild at 64 degrees. We have light northeasterly winds at 8 miles per hour. It's still pretty humid out there. The humidity is at 89% and the pressure on the barometer has now fallen down to 30.15 inches. As we head into your day tomorrow, I'm introducing a small chance of rain as we have a little clipper system or a small little trough of low pressure that'll be impacting the eastern seaboard. A trough of low pressure is simply just a small little disturbance in the upper layers of the atmosphere that could bring us a small chance of rain, and it's indicated by these little orange lines that you see right here. As you can see, this model is not showing a ton of rain heading into our area. It's going to be very isolated as we head into the day tomorrow, and not everybody is going to see rain. It's going to be kind of one of those things where you have a small chance of rain all day long. If you see rain, great. If you don't see rain, oh well, no big deal. Again, not everybody is going to see rain. Just keep that in mind as you're going about your day tomorrow for your Friday. As far as your high temperatures go for your day tomorrow, really mid to upper 50s everywhere you go. I'm forecasting a high of 59 in Myrtle, 58 as you head further inland towards the city of Florence. We'll be looking at partly sunny skies with about a 20 to 30% chance of rain. Again, very hit or miss or isolated. Not everybody is going to be seeing rain. Winds will be at the northwest at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. The biggest story as far as our weather pattern goes over the next 5 to 7 days, we've been talking about it all week long. Another big shot of Arctic air is heading southward from Canada as we speak. You can note by these little arrows all coming out of the northwest. Whenever you get air that comes out of the west, you know down here it is getting cold very, very fast. How cold will it be? Here's a look at your weekend forecast right here. For your Saturday, highs will not get out of the lower 50s, and with a stiff northwestern northerly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour, it will likely feel even chillier or colder than these forecast highs that I have on my map right or on my graphic right here. Thankfully, lots of sunshine is in the forecast for your Saturday. Overnight on Saturday, yes, it will be freezing. Overnight lows will fall down into the lower 30s right along the coastline as you head further inland across the PG and along the border belt, mid to upper 20s. Again, with the stiff northerly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, it'll likely feel even colder than these numbers I have in my graphic. And then come your Sunday, it gets even colder. Lower 50s for your Saturday. We go down into the mid 40s for your Sunday. Thankfully, lots of sunshine is in that forecast. But again, I'll say it, with a stiff northerly wind. We have a stiff northerly wind all the way from Saturday throughout Saturday night and into your Sunday. It'll likely feel even colder than what these numbers I have are going to be on my screen. So the big picture or the biggest takeaway for this upcoming weekend, very, very chilly with lots of sunshine in the forecast. Unfortunately, no snow is going to be in the forecast. It is very hard to believe that Christmas Eve is next Tuesday and Christmas Day is next Wednesday. Santa is packing up his sleigh as we speak. He's actually flying across my graphic right there, one of my favorite graphics to pull out all year long. No snow is in the forecast. Probably sunny skies right now are forecasted for your Christmas Eve. Temperatures topping out in the low to mid 50s. Overnight lows as Santa is coming into town will be falling back into the mid 40s right along the coastline, upper 30s as you head further inland under mostly cloudy skies. As we head into your Christmas Day, there is going to be a system approaching us from the west, and that'll be increasing the moisture in the mid to upper levels of our atmosphere. And I can't rely on an isolated shower right now. The models are not too bullish on it, but just to be on the safe side, I have put a 30% chance of rain on the graphic right here. We'll keep watching the model trends as we go throughout the next couple of days. Otherwise, temperatures will be warming up. We're going to be topping out in the low to mid 60s for your Christmas Day. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by Hunter Plumbing Services. Our temperature roller coaster rolls on. Upper 50s for your Friday, lower 50s for your Saturday, mid to upper 40s for your Sunday and Monday. We're back in the 50s for your Christmas Eve, and then we warm up into the low to mid 60s for your Christmas Day. And for the final few days of 2024, overnight lows will be in the upper 30s tomorrow night, lower 30s Saturday night, and then we're in the mid to upper 20s for your Sunday, and then we're gradually, slowly warming back up into the 40s and 50s as we head into the middle half of next week. Here's a look at the forecast as you head further inland. Small chance of rain tomorrow. Otherwise, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday look like absolutely beautiful days. Still relatively warm, I would say, today. 58 degrees for your high tomorrow, 52 degrees for your high on Saturday, and then we're back into the 40s for your Sunday and Monday. Overnight lows will be in the 20s this upcoming weekend, and then we do warm back up to the 50s and the 60s as we head into your Christmas Eve and also into your Christmas Day. I hope you all have a great rest of your Thursday and an even better Friday ahead.